Want to start investing but don't know where to begin? With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step beginner's guide to investing, covering stocks, crypto, real estate, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your investment journey with confidence. Let's dive in. Before you even think about throwing money into the market, we need to take a step back and ask a fundamental question. Why are you investing in the first place? Are you trying to build a retirement nest egg that you won't touch for decades? Are you trying to save up a down payment for a house in the next few years? Or maybe you're just trying to make your money work harder for you and generate some passive income. See, understanding your why is crucial because it's going to determine your investment strategy and what type of investments are right for you. If you're investing for retirement 30 years down the line, you can afford to take on more risk with things like growth stocks. But if you're saving for a down payment in 5 years, you'll want to be more conservative and stick with lower risk options. Think of it like this. Your investment goals are your financial compass. They give you direction and help you stay on track even when the market gets bumpy. And trust me, the market will get bumpy. There will be ups and downs, but as long as you have a clear understanding of your goals, you'll be able to weather the storm and come out ahead in the long run. So before we move on, take some time to really think about your why. What are you hoping to achieve through investing? Once you have a good understanding of your goals, write them down and keep them somewhere you can see them regularly. This will serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards and help you stay motivated on your investment journey. Now that you've set your financial compass and have a clear understanding of your investment goals, let's dive into the exciting world of investment options. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to understand this stuff. We'll keep it simple and straightforward. First up, we have the stock market. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. Think of it like owning a tiny slice of your favorite pizza place. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your slice, or in this case your stock, increases. Of course, if the company doesn't do well, the value of your stock can go down too. That's why it's important to do your research and invest in companies that you believe in for the long haul. Next, we have real estate, a classic investment that's been around for centuries. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate, but isn't that super expensive? And while it's true that buying a rental property requires a significant amount of capital up front, there are actually ways to get started with real estate investing with less money than you might think. One option is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in a portfolio of income-producing properties without having to deal with the hassle of being a landlord. Now let's talk about something a little more, shall we say, digital. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer the potential for high returns, but they also come with a higher level of risk compared to traditional investments. It's important to remember that the crypto market is still relatively new and highly volatile, so it's crucial to do your due diligence and invest only what you can afford to lose. But hey, maybe you're not ready to dive headfirst into the world of individual stocks, real estate, or crypto. That's totally fine. There are plenty of other investment options out there that are perfect for beginners. One such option is index funds. Index funds are like the diversified all-star team of the investment world. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket by investing in a single stock, index funds allow you to invest in hundreds or even thousands of stocks across different sectors. This diversification helps to spread out your risk and potentially increase your returns over the long term. Remember, the key is to find investments that align with your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable and knowledgeable. The journey of investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Alright, now that we've covered the basics of investing, let's talk about how you can continue to level up your investing game. It's not just about knowing the fundamentals, it's about constantly evolving and adapting to new information. Because here's the thing. The best investors are lifelong learners. They never stop seeking knowledge and are always on the lookout for new opportunities to grow. They're constantly seeking out new information, staying up to date on market trends, and refining their investment strategies. This continuous learning process is what sets them apart from the rest. So, where can you go to find this treasure trove of investing knowledge? The good news is, there are countless resources available at your fingertips. Well, you're in luck because we live in a digital age where information is more accessible than ever before. You can find valuable insights and data with just a few clicks. One of my favorite resources is, you guessed it, YouTube. It's a goldmine for educational content. There are tons of amazing channels out there that provide valuable insights on investing, personal finance, and building wealth. You can learn from experts and enthusiasts alike. Just be sure to do your research and stick with reputable sources. Not all information is created equal, so it's crucial to verify the credibility of the content you consume. But hey, maybe you're more of a bookworm, and that's awesome. Books offer a depth of knowledge that can be incredibly valuable. There are countless books written by investing legends that can provide you with a wealth of knowledge. These books often contain timeless principles and strategies. A few classics that I always recommend include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, which is a must-read for any serious investor. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, which offers a unique perspective on financial education and wealth building. And The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, which delves into the behavioral aspects of investing and personal finance. These books will not only teach you about investing, but also help you develop the right mindset for financial success. They offer insights that can change the way you think about money. Now, if you're looking for something a little more interactive, there are other options too. I highly recommend checking out online investing communities and forums. These platforms are great for networking and learning from others. These platforms provide a space for investors of all levels to connect, share ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. It's a collaborative way to enhance your knowledge. Just remember to take everything you read online with a grain of salt, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Critical thinking is key, and hey, if you're really serious about taking your investing to the next level, there are even more structured ways to learn. You might even consider taking some online courses or attending workshops. These can provide in-depth knowledge and practical skills. There are plenty of reputable institutions that offer comprehensive programs on investing, financial planning, and wealth management. These courses can be a game changer. Investing in your education is one of the best investments you can make, both for your financial future and your personal growth. It's an investment that pays dividends over time. Remember, the learning never stops when it comes to investing. It's a continuous journey. The more you learn, the more confident and informed you'll become as an investor. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground today, from setting your investment goals to exploring different investment options and finding resources for continuous learning. But now, it's time to put all that knowledge into action and take that crucial first step towards becoming an investor. So what's the first step? Well, it's all about taking action and building momentum. One of the easiest and most effective ways to get started is to open a brokerage account. Think of a brokerage account like your gateway to the world of investing. It's where you'll buy and sell stocks, ETFs, index funds, and other investments. There are tons of great brokerage platforms out there, many of which offer commission-free trading, making it even easier and more affordable to start investing. Once you've opened your brokerage account, it's time to fund it. And no, you don't need to be rich to start investing. Even if you can only afford to invest a small amount each month, the power of compound interest can work its magic over time. Compound interest is like the snowball effect of investing. As you earn interest on your initial investment, that interest then earns interest itself, and so on. It's a beautiful cycle that can help you grow your wealth exponentially over the long term. Now, I know it can be tempting to jump right in and start picking individual stocks, especially with all the hype surrounding certain companies and industries. But as a beginner, I highly recommend starting with a more passive investing approach, such as investing in index funds or ETFs. These types of investments offer instant diversification, reducing your risk and potentially increasing your returns over time. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable about investing, you can gradually start exploring other investment options that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't feel pressured to get rich quick or chase after the latest investment fads. Focus on building a solid foundation for your financial future by investing consistently and making informed decisions. And hey, don't be afraid to seek out guidance along the way. Talk to a financial advisor, join an investing community, or reach out to someone you trust who has experience in investing. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are plenty of resources and people out there who can help you achieve your financial goals. So take that first step today and start your journey towards financial independence and security. Now that you have a beginner's roadmap to investing, what's your first move? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.